Mori Memorial Foundation has reported, especially regarding their GCPI or tinatawag na Global Power City Index, plus some insight and implementation. What's new? The Mori Memorial Foundation Institute for Urban Strategy published the GCPI 2024 report and the GCPI Finance Center Index Business. This year report reflects shift due to the post-pandemic recovery more. International travel, tourism, inflationary pressure and issue around climate change. And ito nung top 5 cities remain the same. London, New York, Tokyo, Paris, Singapore, and etc. Implementation things to watch. For cities aim to climb the ranking, strong improvement is needed, not just in economic or R&D matrix, but in liability, environment, accessibility, and attracting international visitors. The Financial Center Index indicates the increasing competition among cities to attract financial activities, investment, IPOs, bank headquarters, etc. Police, regulation, talent, infrastructure, finance sector will matter, and climate change environment indicator are becoming increasingly central. Cities that lag behind here risk dropping, falling to keep up.